for planet.
Yo, what's it? It's your boy M.365 Fitness coming to you guys with another exercise. This time around, we're gonna do something like a push-up crossover with a back row. It's gonna work on your chest and your back, or your delt areas, whatever you wanna call it. So it's really simple. The most important thing you gotta remember when you're doing this exercise is that the dumbbell that you use is gonna kind of have to be a little more round. So if you don't have like a round or octagon shaped dumbbell, it's gonna be hard for you to do this, so keep that in mind. So it's really simple. You start off in push-up position. You execute a push-up, and then what you're gonna do with the arm that you have the dumbbell in, you're gonna execute a back row, and then this is where the interesting part comes in. You're gonna roll the dumbbell to your other hand, and you're gonna execute another push-up, and you're gonna do the dumbbell roll with that hand as well. So you're just gonna keep alternating between both your arms, and you're gonna keep executing the exercise. That's gonna be the exercise of the week.